Welcome to our review of the COOAU 1080p FHD dash cam. This affordable dash cam is designed to capture all of your travel on the road with crystal clear video and a variety of features. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the COOAU dash cam and discussing its key features and benefits. The COOAU 1080p FHD dash cam is equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen that offers a clear view of the recorded footage. The dash cam also features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, which provides a wide view of the road ahead. The 1080p Full HD resolution ensures that every detail is captured, including license plates, street signs, and other important information. One of the most impressive features of the COOAU dash cam is its loop recording function. This means that once the memory card is full, the oldest footage will be overwritten by the new footage automatically. The dash cam also has a G sensor that can detect a collision and automatically save the video file, so you will never lose critical footage in the event of an accident. Another convenient feature of the COOAU dash cam is the parking monitor mode. When parked, the dashcam will detect any movement or impact and automatically start recording. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring your vehicle when parked in public areas or overnight. Now let's talk about pros and cons. The COOAU 1080p FHD dash cam is easy to install and operate. The dashcam comes with a suction cup mount that can be attached to the windshield or dashboard. Once the dashcam is turned on, it will start recording automatically, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn it on. The dashcam also features a built-in microphone that can record audio along with video footage. This is useful if you want to capture conversations or other sounds that may be relevant to an accident or incident. One potential drawback of the COOAU dash cam is its limited storage capacity. While it can support up to a 32 GB memory card, this may not be sufficient for long road trips or continuous use. Additionally, the dashcam doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, so you will need to use a memory card reader to access the footage on your computer. Overall, the COOAU 1080p FHD dash cam is an affordable and reliable option for anyone who wants to record their travel on the road. With its high-quality video recording, easy installation, and convenient features, the dashcam offers great value for its price. Whether you are a professional driver or simply want to keep an eye on your daily commutes, the COOAU dash cam is definitely worth considering.